Is the Limlex HydroShield X coating spray really the revolutionary solution it claims to be, or just another overhyped product targeting car owners desperate for quick results? Marketed as a next-gen car detailing spray, it boldly promises to clean, polish, protect, and even remove scratches all in one simple step. Just spray it on, wipe it down, and your vehicle is supposed to shine like new with a protective barrier that lasts. Sounds too good to be true? That's where the doubts begin. While the idea of transforming your car's look in minutes sounds appealing, many users have raised serious concerns about its actual performance. Real-world results show that the spray might deliver a temporary shine similar to a basic wax, but it doesn't live up to the expectations of a true ceramic coating. Claims that it can remove scratches or restore deeply faded paint appear exaggerated at best. On top of that, there are reports of questionable brand practices, including the same product being sold under different names like Nubiu, which creates confusion and suspicion. Customers have also complained about poor customer service, delayed shipping, and in some cases not receiving the product at all. While Limlex may offer a quick shine for lightly dirty cars, calling it a game-changer or a professional solution feels like a stretch. It sits somewhere in between a product that's not entirely useless but definitely not the miracle it's marketed to be. So before you trust the bold claims and flashy ads, it's worth asking, is this really a breakthrough in car care or just another shiny bottle with a clever sales pitch?